Last time on Sailing Doodles, we left Italy and flew to Greece, where we met our friend and fellow YouTuber Dylan McGaster to sail on his boat. In this episode, we have some engine troubles and continue to explore the beautiful Greek islands. Thank you so much to our patrons for making this channel possible. And if you haven't checked out my newest channel, it's called Flying Doodles, closing on 50,000 subscribers and getting over 1 million views a month. It's about airplanes and pilots. All right, a nice night. First night on, I can't even, how do you say the name of the boat again?
Arianrod.
Arianrod. What does that mean anyway?
So it's got a bit of a story. It means silver wheel, silver moon. Also in Celtic mythology, it's the mother of Dylan.
Mother of Dylan.
Really?
Which is Dylan, that makes
Dylan
sense.
means son of the wave.
Son of the wave.
This is perfect.
Okay, well hey, you were meant to be a sailor.
Yeah.
There we go.
All right, so we had a good night here. We are gonna go ashore today, do a little bit of we need to get some snorkel gear, and then we're gonna go snorkeling, free diving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little
See a
shipwreck.
Yeah, a little shipwreck, yeah, cool. Yeah, and then maybe the next day or two we'll do some real diving when we get into a little deeper places to go see it, so.
Yeah, I'm
ready?
excited.
You ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. It really is a lot of fun exploring the islands in the Mediterranean. They all have so much history and character. It's just something you don't really see in the Caribbean all that much. And of course, my favorite thing to do on a Mediterranean island, find a beach cafe.
You didn't let me photobomb you?
All right, so we were having fuel flow issues yesterday, so now Dylan is changing the fuel filter.
We'll see how it goes. Step number 1, good.
Could have just had some air in the system.
Possible. Holding now steady at 25.
Well, for now we think the problem is solved, that he changed the filter and it works. We'll see what happens once we actually run it for 10 minutes or something.
Yeah, once we're underway.
Yeah.
But according to the manual, the troubleshooting should be good.
Yeah. It said, you know, when it was at idle, there were multiple different things that could have been wrong, but when it was at higher RPM, it basically said change the filter.
Right.
So hopefully that's all it was. It'd be nice if they made them clear where you could check out the filter, but
Yeah, it's basically just an oil filter except for diesel.
it's hard to tell. I mean, it looks pretty gray and behind the white stuff there. It should all be white, I think.
Yeah.
Before setting off for the day, we decided to get some snorkeling in around the boat. There's no better way to cool off than taking a dip in the Mediterranean. All right, off to the next island, about 5 miles away. We're gonna try to do some more snorkeling, and if that's no good, then we're gonna continue where we're anchoring for the night. It's about another 10 miles. It's really calm, no wind, so motoring
Hopefully the fuel filter works, and we're gonna tow the dinghy back there. Ow, that gets hot, man. But let's get out of here.
The windlass works, Dylan's just working out.
Well, really, 6 meters. Not that bad. And also with the comb like this, you can basically pull the boat up.
How long were you without a windlass working?
About a month.
And so we had to do this for a month every time. How many times do you pull up anchor?
A lot. Anything past, right now we're in 6.5 meters.
Yeah.
It's not very difficult, but anything past 10 meters, it gets really hard.
Yeah. Hey, it's a good workout, I guess.
I want to try it.
Come on, Laura, you got it.
There you go.
There you go.
What I would normally do to get in a groove is just like haul it all up, leave it on the deck, and then feed it all back in.
Are you roaring?
Somebody turn the boat.
Well, the anchor's got to be right there. Oh no, it
goes right around
the
weeds, and then it's right there. You can see the anchor.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Now the anchor's gonna be the hard part. Pulling that up.
Okay, Dylan.
It's way easier when it's 2 people.
Yeah.
I see it right
Cranking
here.
the anchor, that's the real hard part.
Yeah. That's how you work out on a boat, is do a manual on the windlass. See you later. There you go.
Thai coconuts. They are the way to go on a hot day. Refrigerated Thai coconuts.
Refrigerated. Ah, there you go.
How's
Oh
it?
man, that is great.
Is it in your mustache?
You had some of my mustache?
It is, baby. It really is.
Man, that is good. Taste some more of that.
And them.
That is the way to go.
Boom!
Boom!
Just have to pick off, you know, some of the pieces as you go, but there's all the coconut meat.
Good job.
It was a short motor west to the next island.
Some beautiful islands here, but some stuff you're like, what's going on here? So for this island, there's a dump, and it's on the side of that cliff, and all the trash is just falling down the cliff into the water. But that's like a dump. On a good note, since replacing the fuel filter, it's been running like a champ.
No problem.
There you go.
Should we detour and clean up?
It might be wine 30.
Are you whining?
I'm whining.
like it.
I think it's wine 30.
It's wine 342.
Wine 342, okay.
Our anchorage for the afternoon was a beautiful little cove.
All right, little rolly of an anchorage, but we're only here for the day. Have some
And
more?
it's not the worst type of roll.
No. No. The worst type of roll is the big freaking ferry rolls.
Yeah,
Yeah,
on the
so-
beam.
Yeah.
Well,
so,
the roll
Sometimes
has
that's
just
a home
helped
for.
you.
that helps it for.
For sure.
So, having some snacks. We're about to go snorkel into this cave over here, and we'll have a good time.
Yeah, check it out.
Cheers.
This is
There you go. It's our €4 wine for 2.2 liters. So that's like almost 3 bottles of wine for, you know, so €4.
you got dreadlocks now.
All right, Captain Dylan, where are we going now?
We're going southwest.
Generally southwest.
To F-F-F-Harafars. I have no idea what Greek words are.
An unpronounceable island, I got it, okay.
Sunken City.
Sunken
Going
City.
To the Sunken City.
We're going to the Sunken City, all right.
10 miles.
There we go.
10.2 miles.
So,
What did we just see here? Cuttlefish,
cuttlefish.
sea centipedes.
Fish,
We saw an octopus, not a ship, at the last one.
Plastic bag.
mermaids,
Plastic bag, we saved the ocean.
mermaids.
Merman
Yeah,
in a cave.
there you go. All right, let's
Loads
go.
of sea urchins. Always sea urchins.
Always,
Oh,
always.
Don't get beached, you'll regret it.
All right, let's go.
Stay away from the walls.
Yeah.
It wasn't far to a city that was sunken by an earthquake over 2,000 years ago. We were going to explore it the next day.
All right, we made it to our anchorage somewhere in some Greek island. I'm not sure what it's called.
We're on the Peloponnese Peninsula. We're actually on the mainland right now.
Oh, are we? Okay. We're not on an island. We're on the mainland. And there's what, the Sunken City's right over there?
Yeah, like 500 meters that way.
And it's what, like a whole city is underwater. It's like in 15, 20 feet of water.
Yeah, 2 meters, I think.
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna
9
go
to 15 feet.
snorkel that tomorrow. Maybe dive. We'll see. Well, probably snorkel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. It's a nice little spot though. I mean, doesn't get much better. Have some-
Living the life.
There you go. It is absolutely. Let's have some wine and some food and hang out.
Gotta finish cooking first.
Oh, well, all right.
I got you.